I hate this. Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is Teesa if you're new, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are doing a TikTok makeup challenge. So the effect on TikTok that this challenge and makeup look is centered around is the kaleidoscope makeup filter. So basically how this challenge will work is I'm going to have a filter on and then just like wave my hand in front of my face so I can't see like which one it lands on. And so when I open my eyes, whichever it lands on, I have to recreate. And so I will be showing you guys that process, which will be either really painful or really fun. I will show you guys how to do it if you want to also recreate this specific makeup look. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So I'm just on the kaleidoscope makeup effect right now, and I'm gonna hit the button at the bottom to start a new TikTok. Hey, and we're gonna go up to sounds and hit trending. Pro tip: if you use trending sounds or songs, it can help your video to go on the For You page, or like more likely to go there because TikTok likes promoting sounds that are already trending. So you know, just keep in mind. I'm gonna pick "Do It" by Chloe X Halle or Halle, I'm not really sure, but you know. Cute little song, so we are going to choose that song, and yeah, and we're just going to swipe, side swipe, and do a little transition after it's done. So we have a cute little like sun yellow look, so that should be pretty doable. And so with that, let's get on to the tutorial. First of all, I always like to prime my eyelids with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Long lasting, I always use this one. Alright, so we have the primer on and my eyes look crusty. So additionally, for priming my eyelids, I'm going to be picking a light shade from the James Charles palette, but you can honestly use any light shade from any palette just to create like a lighter base for the colors to pop out more on. Now that we have primed the eyelid, it is time to go in with our first color. I'm looking at the outer corner. Looks like a peachy kind of color. So with that, I am taking the James Charles palette again and using the shade Rusted. And so that is pretty intense color, but we can go pretty light on it to achieve the desired color. This brush is just like a Sephora brush, pretty basic. Alright, the next color I'm seeing is a yellow goldish shade. It's more of like a dusty yellow in my opinion, and that kind of like blends with the peach. So that's like in the middle of the lid. I'm just gonna take a bit of both Tune and B and see if we can make like a mix of a light yellow. It's pretty yellow now, so I'm just gonna fluff the edges out with Tune. For the orangey shade, I'm going to be taking 518 from the James Charles palette yet again, and on a smaller brush, I'm going to be taking that and just going from the inner corner to kind of like out to the middle of the brown bone area. Really packing it on because I want this to really shine through, and I think I'm going to go back and brighten up each of the three colors as well with some water. It really makes this look pop. I'm just gonna go do that and I will show you how it looks after. Right, so it doesn't show up super well on camera, but I intensified the colors a little bit, each one. So for the white eyeliner, I'm grabbing a small travel size Sephora eyeliner. I really love this one. Looking at this picture, seems to be one dot kind of above the little inner corner, like right near the edge of the eye, and then a line that goes around and then kind of fades out. Here is that white. There we go. So plot twist, the first time I did the liner was too low and didn't match the filter, so I redid it, but I redid it after I had already done lashes and mascara and everything, so that's why the order of the clips might be a little confusing. But yeah, I'm wiping it all off, redoing it, and then yeah. It is gone, but I've already applied the eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna do that and then hopefully it'll look better. So I completely changed the white liner. It is now higher up, so it is more close to the actual filter. The lashes I will be using today are called Little Black Dress, and I think they're from like CVS or something. Honestly, any lashes will work just to make your lashes like pop and look bigger than they actually are. To apply them today, I will be using Duo, and you know, this is a trusty cult favorite. Before I put on my lashes, I will be curling them, and then I put the lashes on then mascara. I know people have a different order, but that is just how I do it. Putting a thick coat on, and I'm just going to wave around for maybe 30 seconds before putting them on. I'm smoothing down the inner corner and outer corner first. The glue is, yes, white, but it will dry clear. I'm going to add a coat of mascara to the top and bottom lashes now with my favorite mascara, Better Than Sex. I live and die by this mascara. I've been buying it for maybe like 4 years now, so highly recommend. Sponsor me. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other eye, and then I will be back with the rest of the face. Alright, so I've finished most of the eye look. For highlighter, I will be using Fenty Beauty, the shade on the right. As you can see, I have hit pan because I love this shade so much. I grab some of that and put that on my cheeks. For the under eyes, I will be using another Sonia Kashuk with a little tiny brush. So it's super cute. I'm just gonna be dipping into some of those like peachy shades and going in. I will also be highlighting my inner corners and brow bone, and that is with the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and I'm using the Funny Girl shade. And as you can see, I've also gone pan here because I just love this shade. I use it every day. That's just gonna go right in the inner corners. I don't usually do my brows because they're already so thick, so usually what I like to do is just grab some gel. So this is NYX Control Freak, just a cheap gel. They, in my opinion, work the same. Now I'm just smoothing out any harsh lines around the eyeshadow, making sure there's a nice blend between colors, outside the colors, all that. For blush today, I'm actually going back into the James Charles palette, grabbing that nice peachy shade, Rusted, and gonna be putting a tiny bit of that on my cheeks. If you have a real blush, that would probably work a little bit better. Oh, put a lot there. God. I look like a clown. Take a lot of that off. Lastly, I am grabbing Fenty Beauty lip gloss to put on my lips. I don't usually do any lipstick or anything like that. Keeping it pretty simple. Also, no bronzer or contour, but you know, if you would like to do that, please be my guest. And that is it for today's look. In the end, I did like how it came out. I thought it was pretty simple if you can get the eyeliner correct, but let's see how it really matches up to the filter. So I'm going to the filter again, and I have it here. I'm gonna do swipe, swipe, swipe. How did I do? And then without the filter. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so I definitely have less lashes, but I can't really help that. I don't have other lashes, and my eyes aren't green. But other than that, I think we did a pretty good job. And let's just finish the TikTok now. So I ended the last part of the video in a transition, so I'll do the other part of the transition to complete it and then show off the look. We got it, guys. It took a lot of tries, but we got the final TikTok, and you can watch it on my TikTok at Teesa, T-E-E-S-A. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think, and yeah, share with your friends, all that good stuff. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy